Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to import a project which is pre-existing. Okay, so there are scenarios like someone have sent you a Grails project or you have downloaded it somewhere else, for example from a website. Okay, so here is I have one example which is a zipped folder, and inside that we have a Grails project. Today we will see how to import it. So I have also make a blogspot website for you guys, so I have created this post as well, some posts related to other tutorials, so you can check that out. Okay, so let's begin. So first of all, this is a zip file. We are going to unzip that. Okay, so we are going to extract to demo. Okay, here it is. So here is the thing, there is a demo folder, and inside we again have a demo folder, and now here is the source code. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to move all this code, we are going to cut that, we are going to paste here. Okay, and we are going to make this folder empty, and then we can delete this. Okay, now we have one folder, and inside that we have a direct project. Okay, now let me go to my IntelliJ. Make sure you have the IntelliJ Ultimate version, because IntelliJ Ultimate version only supports the Grails applications. So here I have a basic application, so I am going to create a new project. Choose this option which says project from existing sources. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to go to my folder. Okay, so I have users, I have one user, there I have some downloads. Okay, here's our folder demo, and inside that we have our project. So I'm going to click on this demo and click OK. This pop-up is going to up. You are going to click next. It is asking the name, so you should click next, and next. Okay, if it gives you any kind of this warning, just say overwrite. You will be prompted to select an option whether you want 1.8 or JDK 11. So I'm going 11 in this case. So it says no framework detected, but we should not be worried about that. We will link this project to the Grails framework. Okay, as you can see, this project has been opened successfully, but this play button is not active, right? So there is a build.gradle file. You see this file, build.gradle. I'm going to open that. Okay, place your pointer here anywhere on this file like this, and just right click. Here you see this link Gradle project. Click on that. Once you click on that, it is going to load up and link the whole application to the Grails project. Let it finish. You need to wait few seconds. Once that is done, you will also see that the folder structure has all been set up, just like it used to look in the Grails project. So this is a project for which one of my client was asked to create. So I'm going to run it now. I'll just play this button, and as you can see, the application has started. It takes some few seconds just to boot up. Okay. Okay. So here is the app, how is this looks like, and I am going to just show you a demo. So this is how it is. Okay. So this is how you can just use the existing project and run it in your IntelliJ. Thanks a lot, guys. So today I am just hoping that you got understand how to import the Grails project. And thanks. I will see you in my next video.